Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Parathas are one of my favorite dishes because they're not only filling but they're also very tasty and very wholesome. Today I'm going to share an exotic paratha recipe. This is street style Shahi veg paratha. You don't need any specific side dish for these parathas and you're going to see how interesting this filling is going to be. So let's get started and check it out. I've made several paratha recipes. In case you missed out those, you can get the links in the description. But today's paratha is something very different and very unique from what I have done earlier. First, I'm going to make the dough for the parathas. To a bowl, add 2 cups of wheat flour, that is atta. Next, add a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon ajwain. Ajwain will give you a nice flavor to the dough. Just mix everything together. Now gradually pour water at room temperature and start mixing the dough. So just make sure you add little water at a time. Knead it for about 10 minutes. So you can see I've kneaded the dough. It's nice and soft. Close the bowl and let this sit for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the aloo masala. I've taken about 3 medium-sized potatoes. Peel off the skin. Chop them into medium-sized pieces. Take 1 medium-sized carrot, peel the skin, chop it into medium-sized pieces. I'm also adding a few fresh peas. Next, we're going to pressure cook all the vegetables. Add all the chopped vegetables to the pressure cooker. Just pour a little water. Just sprinkle a little salt. Pressure cook the vegetables for about 2 to 3 whistles. Once cooked, remove it from the pressure cooker. Strain the excess water and add the cooked vegetables to a bowl. To this, I'm adding half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 green chilli finely chopped, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Add a few chopped coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients together. Using a masher, I'm just mashing up all the vegetables. So this is going to make the filling nice and smooth. So you can see the filling consists of just potatoes, carrots and peas. But basically many of them do it just with potatoes, that is aloo. But I've just added a little bit of veggies in this to make it a little more tastier. But you can do it however you like. Now let's start rolling out these parathas. I'm just dividing the dough into equal sized dough balls for the parathas. Next, dust the rolling surface with some flour. Place the dough ball. Roll it out a little bit. Place a tablespoon of the prepared aloo, that is the potato filling. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of save. This is store-bought. This will give you a nice crunch. Next, I'm going to grate some fresh paneer. Paneer will give you that nice rich taste to the parathas. Finally, I'm finishing off by sprinkling some chaat masala powder. Seal the paratha by folding it from all sides. Once you've sealed the paratha, press it gently and roll it out. Make sure it's not too thin or too thick. So once you've rolled out the paratha, heat a tawa. Place the rolled out paratha onto the tawa. Cook on both sides. Once you get those brown spots, add some generous amount of butter. Now, I'm using butter. You can also add some ghee if you like, or oil. It's up to you. Butter will make it very rich and tasty. Just spread that butter all around. So once you've added the butter, just flip it on both sides till it's completely cooked. So there you go. Here are these nice steaming hot Shahi vegetable parathas with that nice goodness of paneer in it. And I'm serving it with some nice garlic pickle and some raita by the side. You can enjoy it however you like.